It's time to get rid of those curtains. Those curtains actually need to go into my daughter's room. I bought some more curtains. They're right there. I'm not ironing them. I'm just going to put them up and go with it. Put that stuff away. Let's get these curtains hung. Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I will be tackling my to-do list, but let me tell you something. There are some items on this to-do list that I just did not get to. I had every intention on vacuuming and cleaning this carpet, but then my husband came down and was like, listen, I haven't even painted the wall yet, so why don't you just clean the carpet after I paint the wall? So like the good submissive wife that I am, I listened. That was the funniest thing that I've ever said in my life. If you are new here, my name is Kim, KYM, and if you take life serious, this is not the channel for you because your girl likes to clown. Your girl meaning me. I like to speak in third person. But thanks for joining me today in all seriousness, and please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe on your way out. This particular day was a Friday night and I was kind of tired, so after this, I'm not really going to do anything else besides fold those cleaning towels that are on my couch. Some of those need to go in the garage and some of them need to go in the kitchen. My daughter actually bought me some brand new ones for my birthday. They are my favorite color, which is purple, so I'm excited to get those washed up. There's also a few spaces that I've been avoiding for like, I don't know, a year now, i.e. my walls upstairs in my hallway. They are hit, so I will be cleaning those in this video as well. You'll have to let me know if you're a fan of cleaning off your walls and what you clean them with. Oh yeah, a simple hanging of the curtains. You think it's gonna be all good. You think you're gonna hang the curtains and you're just gonna walk out. No, when you live in a Miranda home, the drywall sucks. So guess what? It's okay because I wanted the curtains to be higher anyway, but I have to patch those holes and then re-drill. So this is gonna be an overnight project because I'm tired already thinking about it. As you can see, I get easily overwhelmed, but I do like patching stuff because I don't know why, I just do. Let me know if you can relate. Upstairs, I have hung all the curtains in my room and my daughter's room, and I actually use the yellow straps. It's not yellow, oh my gosh, leather straps. So I think I want to order some of those so that I can hang up the curtains in my daughter's room and then the curtains down here in the living room as well. So stay tuned for that in another video. I really did just try to hang these curtains up with what I had, but it just didn't work out. So I don't even want to talk about it, okay? Moving right along, I told you I needed to get these folded up and put them away, and then we're gonna proceed to day 2.
So amazing is the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. 2020, you've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking.
I got a little present in the mail. It was actually a present to myself for my birthday. I ordered a steamer. I have been wanting a steamer now for I don't know how long. I'm really excited about it. That was another thing that I wanted to do in this video, but I'm not going to be able to. However, I will do it in the next video. So prepare yourselves, everyone. Listen, like for real. I'm going to clean a toilet. Clutch them pearls, girl, clutch them. I know y'all don't like to see that, but some of y'all need to see it because I've been to some bathrooms and I'm like, ooh, wee. I'm not even gonna go there. Just like the olden days, I'm gonna do a full toilet tutorial. And I know some people will like it because I have family members who have contacted me and they were like, hey, talk to my son. Tell him how to clean a toilet. For real. And you know what? That's a good thing because we have to teach people how to do things, right? It's the next day. I'm doing some weekly maintenance. I'm taking the sheets off the bed. Yes, I have a Christmas blanket that I love, I cherish because it has the little red truck on it, and I love the little red truck. Let me know how you've been, what you've been doing, what you've been reading, what interesting things are you working on? Do any of you like to do puzzles? Let me know below in the comments. Guess who's washing clothes today? Ya girl, me, Kim, KYM, is washing clothes today. Am I looking forward to it? Absolutely not. And then you have this. This is something that I need to do a gypsy couch clean on, even though it's not a couch. And I'm also gonna do a gypsy clean over here. The last thing I'll be doing is putting baking soda on the bed, letting it soak, and then vacuuming it off. That's my way of disinfecting and making my bed feel good, smell good. And I like to get in a bed that's so fresh and so clean. What y'all know about the gypsy couch clean? Did you ever watch the Gypsy Sisters on TLC? They were a train wreck, and I was here for it because I don't have any drama in my personal life. I do not do drama. If you are a drama person, you are not involved in my personal space, but your girl will watch it on TV. That's the best place to have drama, right? A few videos back, I had mentioned that I couldn't find that yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. Well, I did find a yellow Mr. Clean antibacterial concentrate. That was a mouthful, and I always stumble on my words. Anyway, the formula is a little bit different. It smells different. It still works though, and that's what I'm cleaning all of this off with. But I have to ask, Mr. Clean, why did y'all do that? I mean, you know, some of us are creatures of habit and don't really like change when it comes to cleaning products because it takes us forever to find the cleaning products that we like. So I'm just not understanding why that happened and why that took place. Let's talk. Hit me up. Have your people contact my people so we can talk about it, okay? How is your mental health? Let me know below in the comments. I will say the sun has been out the last 2 days and I've really been enjoying it. I've literally been standing at my front door wide open, sun beaming, because I'm like, give me all the vitamin D in the world. Let's get rid of this seasonal depression. It's not fun. That way I can, you know, go out and explore the world like I normally do, because being secluded in a home with gray skies is not fun and it really does something to your mental. I've said so many affirmations and so many prayers that my body craves it. It's like if I go a minute without even thinking about saying an affirmation or a prayer, my mind is like, girl, say your affirmations, say a prayer. You know what I'm saying? Get your body grounded because it's time. But on a lighter note, did you see the vacuum? How many times have I cleaned out the vacuum in this video? It's just terrible. I think that my family should buy their own vacuum, i.e. my youngest daughter, because it's all of her hair, and vacuum her room with that and not my Shark. Shark products are not cheap at all whatsoever, and I hope this motor never, ever, ever goes out. This vacuum is old, but it works so good. It's a Shark Navigator. I will say the best way to keep up with your appliances is to take care of them. Clean them as if you are cleaning your home. You want to make sure they're clean. You want to make sure they're clutter-free. You want to make sure there's not a bunch of hair in those appliances. That includes your washer, your dryer, and as well as your dishwasher, because you definitely have to clean out those filters, which is a great reminder for me to clean out the filters because I try not to go in the laundry room. I left the baking soda on the bed for about an hour and then I came back to vacuum it off. When I tell you the night that I got into this bed, it just felt so good and it just smelled really, really fresh. You'll have to let me know if you've ever tried that baking soda trick because it definitely works. And again, take care of your vacuum cleaners. I'm throwing all this away because it had all kinds of stuff in it. It was just dirty. Yes, you can wash it, but I had brand new ones, so I just decided to switch it out. course, I come into the laundry room and I want to make sure everything is clean. I'm that type of person, if I see something dirty, I'm gonna clean it right away. That's probably how I can keep up with my house all week. But I also deal with anxiety, and the way that my anxiety works is if I walk into a space and there's just stuff everywhere, or if I see a bunch of crumbs, or if I see just a bunch of splitter splatters everywhere, it kind of makes me anxious, which is why I clean it up right away. So you can never judge a person by how their home looks, whether it be clean or dirty. That's their home, that's their business. It has nothing to do with you. So yeah, I just felt like I needed to say that because some comments be off the chain, and I'm the type of person, I'm not going to comment back to you. Trust me, you do not want me to do that. I am a person that is healing, but I have that side of me that will check you in 2 seconds. But yeah, again, don't judge a person for how their home looks because you do not know what they're going through in life. Just be a kind human. Keep those comments to yourself. And if it's hard for you to be kind, you need to do some self-evaluation. Self-awareness is key. Self-awareness is your friend. Self-awareness will have you out here in these streets being a better person every single day. Let me know if you use a softener for your clothes or if you use vinegar as your softener and disinfectant when you wash your clothes.
Still holding on. Let's not pretend anymore. Think what we had disappeared long ago. I can't take back what we once had. Lying awake, can't get out of my head. You say all your dreams are gone. Are we gonna let this go or keep holding on? Yeah, I have waited far too long, babe. I can't carry this weight anymore. You say all your dreams are gone. Are we gonna let this go or keep holding on? Yeah, I have waited far too long, babe. I can't carry this weight anymore.
These are the clothes that were in the dryer before I started washing clothes. This was not on my to-do list. I just want to say that. But I definitely want to get them folded up. That way I can put my blanket into the dryer, and I will be separating the blanket versus the cleaning cloths, because with the cleaning cloths, you do not want to use any kind of, what do you call those? Dryer sheets. You don't want to use a dryer sheet with that, because once you start cleaning with that cleaning cloth, you're going to have streaks everywhere. Keep that in mind. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're still here, please leave me 3 purple hearts in the comments below and just enjoy the music. The next song is Revel Day. He is amazing. Please look him up on YouTube. I use him in majority of my videos. I love his voice. It's very soulful.
Ongoing dried out silhouettes. I am numb, you stay the night. Glory eyes for miles and days. Get out from under me. Troublemaker, plan my escape. The silhouette
Depending on the type of paint that you have, you want to be careful with all the things that you wash your walls down with. I know a lot of people like to wash it down with the Tide laundry detergent, not the liquid kind, but the powder kind. For me, your girl's a professional, first of all. First and foremost, if you don't know, I do have my own cleaning company, but I typically wash the walls down in my home with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. It's never done anything to the paint. It's the type of paint that we buy. You can do satin paint or high gloss and definitely get everything cleaned off with that. You can't clean anything with flat paint, so I would not suggest putting flat paint on your walls if you want to clean your walls down when they're dirty.
I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane, wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day. Day by day, day by day, day by day. Big feelings coming closer. It's okay. You're taught the opposite. Let's rewire. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane, wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace.
Thank you again for being here, and I hope to see you next week. Bye, guys.